This is a Dakota 400 H&H, which is modified case from the 375 H&H.
Take your time.
Good luck. Enjoy your hunt.
We wish everybody good luck. Cheers. So we have we've made it into Makuti camp here. We've come to hunt buffalo for the next 7 days. Both rifles are on point, and we're here to have a good time and a good hunt.
6:30, full light, looking for a buffalo.
You see how he's literally coming in his mode, these little pieces here of grass.
We tracked a buffalo into some long grass down at the base of this hill, and it was like a carpet inside. We kind of lost the track. You just can't track it. No footprints.
Unfortunately, no plan to follow in there, so I'm gonna go find some more. We've come out hunting today with Dean. He's the camp damager here in Makuti, and anyway, we told him to tie up a buffalo for us, and he has. They're a bit far, but yeah, so we're gonna make our way along the road here down the ridge and see if we can get within shooting distance.
Ooh. All right, another beautiful day. We're gonna see if we can find our buffalo. Yeah.
Right, let's go.
Down the road. Good strategy. You run across, right on top. Rich forgot to put the bull out this morning. We're about the 4th day here, and we really haven't been into the buffalo at all. We're still trying to find it, and we found a likely track this morning with a single duggar boy, so we're going to take off after the track, and I suspect this is going to be a long day, just walking after a buffalo and see if we can walk him down.
We've tracked these buffalo for miles and miles and days, and we finally found where they're drinking. This is Makuti Spring.
My chill bumps. Be good. All right.
Can you see the buffalo? Can you see enough to shoot? I got sticks in the way. Shoot. If you can see it, shoot it.
In the river, Steve? In the river? Shoot it? Perfect.
Whew, I think we work for this guy. How the hell did we get out of here?
Fantastic morning, hard hunt. Lots of miles to catch up to the buffalo, lots of miles to bring it out, and Steve has done an incredible job for a 76-year-old. So good on you, Steve.
Old man coming slowly.
Hey, we made it. Just.
These guys are absolutely amazing. This is all I could do to walk out, and they carried the buffalo. Wow. What a hunt. It was the gold package hunt, right?
You paid for the deluxe? You got it, Steve.
Anyone can give blood at the office. It takes a real fool to give it in the chest. Here we are in Troy North. Troy North has been a hunting camp for many, many years, probably back in the 40s when it was first founded. We arrived, and the camp and the setting is absolutely beautiful. Lush green lawn, right on the Zambezi River, facing a very imposing mountain. We rode out this morning to just kind of tip our toe in the water a bit and look for tuskless. So in the coming days, we'll get closer and closer.
We've ticked that box. We've seen everything. There you go.
Come on. Elephant. Alright, cool. Let's carry on.
those smaller targets are harder to hit. He's just too small to shoot. So we gotta find another group.
See that?
It looks like a tuskless. Down there. See the first one? Go back to it. Alright, okay.
Almost got ruled by an elephant looking at an impala. Yeah.
She's got teeth. I took out the cigar and I took the wrapping off and I cut the end.
No cigar. It's amazing, as large as an elephant is, and it's all one color, nice gray color, and you put it out in the middle of a mown lawn and it stands out like a sore thumb. You take that same elephant, put it in the gist, and he disappears. The gray forms a shadow. The elephant is so big, what piece you see doesn't stand out of having any particular form. So it's very good camouflage for the elephants.
Hey, 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 hey! Hey!
We were like 5 minutes too late, didn't we?
You can track the elephants. The sandy soil helps. Good trackers is the key, and we're able to find tracks on the road, follow them in, and have a good walk every day. A great time, a great hunt, and it's just absolutely, the animals are surely important. The camp, somewhat important. Everyone likes to be comfortable. But what really makes a hunt special are the people you get to do it with. Just absolutely great group of fellows. We have a lot of fun. I get a lot of support. In return, I provide a lot of entertainment. So, yes, it was a great hunt. Good fish today. Man, what a day. What a day. Walked and looked and sniffed and pushed and shot the elephant. And at the end of the day, caught a great tiger fish. Wow. What a way to wind up the active part of the safari.
Well done, Steve.
Thank you, Rick.
Cheers.
Don't take the shot if you're not ready.
It's the best and biggest adventure for the dollars that you spend in Africa. A tuskless elephant. Thank you.
Well done, Steve.
Thank you. Well done.